Lebanon is getting a pounding from Israel. Okay, so they will continue their military offensive with or without Iran. If Iran falls, or Iran still is functioning, they will continue the attack because they share a common goal. Okay, but that is limited within the next 3 years only. Okay. Okay, so they see eye to eye with Iran and they benefit from the military agreements. But that would be limited to 3 years only. So there's a 3 year support that military support that the proxies or Hezbollah and the Houthis would be able to give Iran. Okay, so if this information might benefit the US, but they only have 3 years. Okay, see, I Ching is very detailed and surprisingly accurate. Okay, that's why I chose this divination particularly because it's able to this type of divination is able to correlate to leadership and handling of states. Okay. All right. The next question is what happens to Iran if the Iran regime collapses? Very important question. So if Iran collapses, according to I Ching, it's going to be Lu. Okay, first there will be global economic collapse. Yeah, a lot of countries will be affected. America will be blamed. Okay, America will first celebrate their win, and then there will be a decline of nations supporting America for this act. Okay, because so then America as a nation will be affected by the war, and they will cry for help because their resources as well will be affected. Okay, so many countries will cry for help. Many countries will cry for help. That includes the US too. Yeah. Okay, so that's going to happen. Okay, so if